Nomadic.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day.
Kamusta everyone? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. And for today's vlog, gagala tayo. Just go with the flow lang tayo. Di ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta, pero parang pupunta tayo ng Poreliwa. And this is episode 8 of our vlog. So keep on watching, guys.
Nomadic.
Tinapos natin ang 2023 with a random vlog. And there's no better way to start 2024 with another random vlog. This time, I'll take you back on Sakura season in Hashimoto Memorial Walk. Then a quick getaway sa Belmont Regional Park. And end it in the heart of Wellington, ang Cuba Street. I'm your Nomadic Juan, and our vlogger era continues in Biyahe with me in New Zealand, Episode 8.
And we are here mga wan sa Hashimoto Memorial Park, pero medyo madilim yung weather. So magche-cherry blossom sightseeing lang tayo dito ngayon and explore natin kung anong meron.
Hashimoto Memorial Walk. Hutt locals will be able to enjoy the serenity of a cherry tree-lined Japanese walkway during Sakura season. Located in Lower Hutt, everyone can enjoy Sakura Blossoms without going far from Wellington. Trip to Japan for cherry blossoms? Not anymore. Travel to Hashimoto Memorial Walk at solve ka na for your Instagram entries.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day.
Bagong taon na naman everyone. Dapat, we also grow as a person. In this 2024, this is a note to myself. I am learning to grow some boundaries. Isa to sa New Year's resolution ko. Somebody said, everybody really likes you when you do everything everyone asks and tells you to do. Nobody likes you when you have boundaries. We had to learn to grow some boundaries. The more that we understood what boundaries really meant, the less people will start to like us. And the more I understood how fantastic and healthy that was. We should learn to create boundaries for ourselves, or else somebody will create it for you. And that hits me really hard. Let yourself disappoint people, especially if you need to take care of your mind, or because your intuition is telling you that what you want does not align with who you are becoming. Betraying yourself is not virtuous. Remember, no one can fill your heart better than you can.
So ayun everyone, yun yung Hashimoto Memorial Park. Ang walkway na to ay possible due to the generosity of Setsuko Hashimoto. So ayun everyone, try nating pumunta na ang Kuro Dam.
You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the
tayo everyone sa may Belmont Park. Hanapin natin yung Koro Dam.
Belmont Regional Park is a regional park located between Lower Hutt and Porirua in the Wellington region at the southern end of New Zealand's North Island. The park is the largest regional park in Wellington region. If you will go down further, there will be adventure trails and scenic falls along the way. Kapag magandang panahon, enjoy the scenic trails na located dito.
Ano?
I don't feel safe going down.
Oo, so hangin. Hindi natin kakayanin bumaba ng Koro ngayon. Sobrang lamig. Meron. Lamig yarn. Sobrang lamig mga Juan. Hindi natin kakayanin pumunta ng Koro Dam ngayon. So lilipat tayo ng pwesto. Hanap tayo ng indoor, yung hindi masyadong malamig sa mahangin. One hour loop siya. Hindi natin kakayanin yung isang oras mga Juan. Balik na lang tayo next time.
Connection success.
Cause I'm the winner, Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want.
Ayun, so katapos lang naming mag-lunch sa may BAE'YAHE and hindi na kami natuloy sa may Koro Dam kasi masyadong mahangin, parang di namin kakayanin. So andito kami ngayon sa may city and lakad-lakad muna.
Cuba Street is the best surviving example of Victorian and Edwardian streetscape in the central city, as well as being historically significant, reflecting the commercial nature of Wellington around the turn of the century. It has great aesthetic appeal. Located dito ang mga resto from all flavors, cafes, op shops, boutique fashion stores, art galleries, and music shops at may bonus pang buskers in between.
And that's it mga Juan. So tatapusin ko muna tong vlog natin. And for today's video, recap lang natin. Nagpunta tayo ng Hashimoto Memorial Park para sa cherry blossoms. And then pumunta tayo ng Koro Dam. Pero sad to say, hindi na natin tinuloy kasi masyadong malamig at mahangin. Baka delikado. So after that, nagpunta muna tayo ng BAE'YAHE. Kumain muna tayo doon. And then sa Duck Island for the ice cream. So, andito tayo ngayon sa may Cuba Street and tatapusin ko na tong vlog na to. So, yun muna mga Juan. I'm your Nomadic Juan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future videos ko. At lagi nyong tandaan, maikli ang buhay, piliin nyong maging masaya and let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness.